Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I am going to do an editing video today and I hope you all liked it. If you want to see more editing videos, just please feel free to let me know that you do like them and I will put more out. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you would like to follow along. I'm going to start off I already pre-recorded this and I'm just going to put a little invert here in what I am doing. Um, I am trying to I've been a photographer for 3 years, a little over 3 years, and I am trying to teach myself more fine art actions, I guess. I don't want to be a fine art photographer or do a lot of that, but when I did apple blossom sessions a few weeks ago and just got some amazing pictures with a beautiful sunset, and this was one of the sessions and one of my favorite pictures. And when I look at it, I just seen something. I had a vision. I mean, if you're a photographer, you probably know what I'm talking about. And I wanted to play around. I just got the new Pretty Preset Salted presets, and so I will be using those. I want to disclose that I am using presets, the Pretty Preset presets, and I am going to be playing around with those. And then I will also be taking it into Photoshop and using some presets of Dodge and Burn for those also, for the Storyville. So go ahead and just follow along and watch what I do. I do have it a little bit fast so it doesn't drag on. You could go into your settings if you want it to be slowed down or if you want it to be sped up. I'm just playing around. This is my first time editing this picture in such a way, and you can just kind of see how I do things. I'm kind of teaching myself, so maybe at the same time I can help teach you too. Thanks. I am now in Photoshop and I am using the Storyville presets here also. Um, there's a lot of, there's retouching, there's Dodge and Burn. I'm using the Dodge and Burn right now. You see me use it on the dress. That's the Dodge and Burn together, which yes, some people might think it's just an easy way out, but I really love it because, I mean, why not? And then you can adjust your opacity, and then I'll be using the Dodge and Burn on the hair and the skin, and I really love these presets. And she has lots of videos out too. She has a Facebook page, same as the Pretty Presets. They both have Facebook pages, Instagrams, and YouTube videos. So thanks for following along today. I appreciate it. Like I said, hit a like and subscribe. Let me know if you want me to keep doing these videos, and I will. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.